Hello, everyone. My name is Ewa Lejman-Witz. I am a Polish legal advisor and tax advisor from Izabela Żulicka and Partners Law Firm. Thank you very much for having me here. I have been providing advisory services to entrepreneurs since 2006. The combination of the competence of an attorney at law and a tax advisor, as well as activity on international markets, resulted in my promotion to partner of the firm in January 2014. So the question is it worth being a partner nowadays? This question is not actually easy to answer. It very much depends on the circumstances. Becoming a partner can be pinnacle of the career of a lawyer with increased reward and recognition. However, there are risks that go with those rewards that need to be carefully considered. Is it worth being a partner? Yes, from my perspective, it's absolutely worth being a partner in a law firm. So why then? You have a much better possibilities in terms of career development. You have also freedom to set your own agenda in the company. Finally, you may influence future of your company. So how to get there? What has changed recently? Nowadays, it's not enough to be a high biller. Gone are the pure lockstep days where X amount of experience led to automatic progression up a ladder. So achieving partnership is about merit, not about years served. If you're an attorney looking to become a partner, your first step is learning the ins and outs of your firm's partnership structure. That's why you can master the rules of the game you are playing. Individuals looking to become a partner will also need to pass the so-called egg test. So, be a positive ambassador of the firm. Smile every day. Help others with the firm. Undertake projects on behalf of the firm. Be seen as a safe pair of hands. This is something which is really important. Have strategic and commercial intuition. Be popular in the team. I would even risk to say, try to work with everyone. Try to take part in as many projects as you can. Be true to who you are and be self-aware. I know this is difficult. But the most successful partners are open about their weaknesses as well as their strengths. They are authentic. They create connections easily. So you need to be top of your game, technically and commercially. Finally, you need to be an agile lawyer. What does it mean? You have to have the ability to use technology, processes, working practice, and data in new ways to meet client needs. That means that we need to learn every day. We need to have the ability to use new applications, new software, new tools. So it's always easier for our IT lawyer to be agile lawyer, but this is for everyone. I think it's just a matter of time we need to spend, and we need to use it with our clients. In the end, I believe that it will be fruitful not only for yourself, but also for your clients. Good luck to everyone. I keep my finger crossed for your path to become a partner in your law firm.
Hello, everyone. My name is Andrés Osandón. I'm a partner at Arteaga Gorsiglia law firm in Santiago, Chile. I've been a partner for 3 years, and I've been working in this law firm for about 7 years. I have a previous experience at Deloitte. I was part of the tax team at Deloitte, and now I'm a partner that leads the tax practice of Arteaga Gorsiglia. And I ask myself whether to become a partner was my ultimate goal of being a lawyer. Really, it was not at the beginning. However, when I acquired some level of expertise, then it really became an issue and a goal. However, at the beginning, my goals were really different. I was working not to become a partner, but rather to acquire expertise, to learn from other lawyers, senior lawyers, to specialize in a particular area of the law. But then it became an issue, and become a partner was an important goal. To become a partner, it was not an easy path. It was a hard work in my case, and it took about 5 to 7 years of experience, during which I acquired, of course, technical abilities, but more important than that were the acquisition of soft abilities. Those abilities that really make the difference when becoming a partner in a law firm. At some level, all lawyers with certain experience share some technical abilities. However, these soft abilities make the difference. And when I talk about soft abilities, I mean to be a leadership, to be a good team worker, to be able to coordinate work with other lawyers. And those abilities will make the difference in your career. And on top of that, because you may acquire technical and soft abilities, but more important than that, it's whether you share values with your other partners and the values of the firm you're working in. So in this last aspect, I will say that are the most important one. Otherwise, it won't be possible for you to become a partner and to share office with some other individuals. You will be a partner to the extent you acquire these technical abilities and soft abilities, but more important than that, you will become a partner when you share the same culture and values of the other partners and the firm. These values and culture, in my case, are related with building a good relationship with the other lawyers, to have a sort of a entrepreneurship culture in the firm, and also to have recognition towards clients. Clients that at the end of the day are the most important asset of the law firms. To build a recognition towards clients was a very important aspect in my career, and this ability, of course, was the result of a technical ability, the result of myself being a specialist in the area of law that I developed, and also as a very important result of building a marketing or a business plan for the firm. Of course, in law firms, you may have these technical abilities, these soft abilities, but for the firm, it is also very important to have a business culture, to have a commercial vision of the law. Otherwise, become a partner is not a possibility. So at the end of the day, if I have to wrapping up what really make the difference, or what really make the path of becoming a partner, I will say that technical abilities are an important part of it. The soft abilities are also necessary. Otherwise, you won't be able to build a relationship between the firm and towards client. But neither of these abilities are really important if you don't share the same culture and the same values, core values of the firm and of the other partners you are in partnerships. Becoming a partner, it took, in my case, about 4 years as from I joined Arteaga Gorsiglia. And during this time, one important aspect that made the path smooth and possible was to have a mentoring. In Arteaga, senior lawyers meet with partners periodically, and in those meetings, all these aspects are addressed. And I mean aspects such as how your profitability is doing, how your soft abilities are being carried out within the firms. So this mentoring and to have this periodical meeting with your mentor, of course, make the path more smooth when becoming a partner. Well, additionally, one important aspect that made my path to become a partner possible was to build a business and a marketing plan together with the law firm partners. In this business plan, the idea was to put down concrete, specific goals and steps. And the idea was to follow up on this step in order to see whether they were fulfilled or not. This plan, of course, facilitate my incorporation as a partner at the end of the day.
Hi, everyone. My name is Lisa Shao, and I'm a senior counsel with Music Peeler. I was asked to speak regarding kind of the road to partnership and how I got here today. Right now, I am a senior counsel. Hopefully, I'll be making partner this year. The road for me was a little bit less traveled than other people. I focused only on constantly saying yes to cases, working with my partners, consistently always taking on more and more cases, resulted in, me spending a lot of hours in the office. Early mornings, I would get to the office at 4:30, leave it at 4:30 so I could have dinner with my family. But as a result, I got a lot of interactions with the client. That in turn has allowed me to grow my own book of business. I've been very fortunate and lucky to obtain a very great book of business at my age. And I'm trying to continue to grow that by working the files, getting as much client interaction with other partners as I can, getting those clients to believe in the work that I do, trust me as the senior counsel on the file, and eventually, hopefully, try to send me the work themselves. I've also learned that with these big time clients, they know a lot of other general counsels, and they know a lot of other counsels are in-house attorneys as well. So what I've learned was once you make a relationship somewhere, that could continue to grow if they trust you. And referrals come randomly. A lot of times it's, on a random Tuesday, I'll get an email for a referral. I was not expecting it or trying to reach out to that contact. It's just, you constantly put your name out there. You constantly do great work for these clients or even friends or referrals for attorneys. And they remember your name. They remember who you are. And they constantly will send you more business because of what the product that you presented them in the beginning. So my advice to any young attorney out there is to, even if you're tired and you think that it's not going to work out, a lot of times you don't get a book of business until 5, 10, 15 years later, when that client that they're using got a bad jury verdict and now they need somebody else, or that person that they're using is now retiring, so they need somebody else. You constantly put your name out there, you constantly present and do great work for them. Your name will come up eventually. A lot of times it's a luck of the draw, and I always say it's always good for sometimes to be lucky than to be good at something. But, part of luck is putting yourself out there in front of people and being able to accept those opportunities when they come to you. So although it may seem very tedious and tiresome, and you're not getting a bonus for the work that you're putting in, and you're working harder than your colleagues around you, continue to put the work in, get in front of the client, try to show the client that you are you're the second person for the partner, you're the right-hand man, and when they need you, they'll call you. So good luck, you guys.